Hi, I'm Dr. Romi Chopra. My full name actually is Paramjit Singh Chopra, but friends call me Romi, and I'm an interventional radiologist by training. I've been doing this for 30 years now. I grew up in Bombay, in India. You can tell from my turban I'm from the East. And actually went to Harvard Medical School after that, did a research fellowship there, did retrained in the US, redid my residency again over there. Became a head of a department very early on, was one of the youngest head of departments in interventional radiology. Did a lot of academic research, a lot of work, built multiple programs, taught a lot of students, fellows, residents. And I've had my institute, the Midwest Institute for Minimally Invasive Therapies, we call MIMIT, for a decade now, just over a decade. And the focus has been on doing minimally invasive procedures. The human condition is that we have the spirit, the mind, and the body. And there's a trinity in every culture and every religion. So I believe you have to treat all three elements. It just is what we call the aura of a person, the energy around them, that's their spirit. If the spirit is ill, nothing will work. So I always try to connect with the spirit of the person, and that's the practice does as well. And then obviously the mind and how we think about things, what's the logic behind things, getting information, processing it, and then obviously the body feeling well. The body interacts with the mind and also interacts with the spirit. We want it to be a joyful environment where the patients come and they feel good. I always say nobody's left this planet alive, so it's the journey that counts. And my job as a physician is to make that work well for you, your journey good for you. No physician has ever healed any disease ever. It's the body healing itself. If there's a cut, we stitch it, the body has to heal it. If you have an infection, I give the antibiotic. In the same way there are procedures I do. Technology is here to stay. Sometimes people think you have the holistic, natural, and you have high tech, and you can't combine the two. And the word holistic to me means all of it combined. Because everything in this universe comes from 5 elements. All the drugs that we have are compounds that we got from natural elements. When you do a hysterectomy and you take the uterus out, you've disturbed the natural imbalance of the body. The pelvic floor is weak, the muscles are weak, they've been cut. Because life is all about balance. So to take a body part out is not a good idea. So I try to educate all the women as much as possible, give them information. I've done countless talks in churches and women events, etc., to educate them. Then they can make the decision. And now you got an option. You come in the morning, we go through the wrist, and in 2 hours, everything's out. There's nothing. Yes, you'll get some cramping and pain. We give you enough pain medicine, and I even get them to meditate and calm down and understand the situation. They're back to a normal life, and then they can enjoy their life as much as possible. Educate, empower, enjoy life.